Traditional file-based approach. Traditional file-based approach. Traditional file processing system was used to manage information. It stores data in various files of different application programs to extract or insert data to the appropriate file. File processing may be either sequential or direct access file processing. File-based processing system has several limitations due to which database management system is required. Data duplication. Each program stores its own separate files. If the same data is to be accessed by different programs, then each program must store its own copy of the same data. Data inconsistency. If the data is kept in different files, there could be problems when an item of data needs updating, as it will need to be updated in all the relevant files. If this is not done, the data will be inconsistent, and this could lead to errors. Difficult to implement data security. Data is stored in different files by different application programs. This makes it difficult and expensive to implement organization-wide security procedures on the data. The shared file approach. One approach to solving the problem of each application having its own set of files is to share files between different applications. Shared files solves the problem of duplication and inconsistent data across different versions of the same file held by different departments, but other problems may emerge, including file incompatibility. When each department had its own version of a file for processing, each department could ensure that the structure of the file suited their specific application. If departments have to share files, the file structure that suits one department might not suit another. Difficult to control access. Some applications may require access to more data than others. For instance, a credit control application will need access to customer credit limit information, whereas a delivery note printing application will only need access to customer name and address details. The file will still need to contain the additional information to support the application that requires it. Physical data dependence. If the structure of the data file needs to be changed in some way, this alteration will need to be reflected in all application programs that use that data file. This problem is known as physical data dependence. Concurrent access problem. While a data file is being processed by one application, the file will not be available for other. Limitation of traditional file processing system. Data duplication. Data inconsistency. Difficult to implement data security. File incompatibility. Difficult to control access. Physical data dependence. Concurrent access problem. Difference between database system and traditional file processing system.